Now coming in, the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has launched a fierce attack on the Election Commission, calling the SIR exercise a calculated assault on democracy. In his latest attack, Rahul Gandhi says the entire country has been thrown into chaos and that in just 3 weeks, 16 BLOs have lost their lives. He claims heart attacks, stress and even suicides show that SIR is not a reform, it is inflicted cruelty. So Rahul Gandhi has taken to social media. It is a message that is in Hindi. Let me translate it for our viewers. And this is what he says. He says there is a chaos across the country because of the SIR exercise. Rahul Gandhi says under the guise of SIR, chaos has been unleashed across the country. And the result, in 3 weeks, 16 BLOs have lost their lives. Heart attacks, stress, suicides. SIR is no reform. It is an imposed tyranny. And then he goes on to say the ECI has created such a system where citizens have to flip through thousands of scanned pages of a 22-year-old voter list just to find themselves in that list. And going on to say that the intent is clear. The right voters actually get exhausted in the entire process and give up, and vote theft continues unabated. So vote chori charge being repeated by Rahul Gandhi yet again, going on to say that India builds cutting-edge software for the world, and yet India's Election Commission is still stuck on erecting a jungle of papers. If the intent were pure, this list would be digital, searchable and machine readable, and the ECI would take adequate time to focus on transparency and accountability instead of blindly pushing work in a 30-day frenzy. And then he goes on to say it's a calculated ploy where citizens are being harassed and the deaths of the BLOs from unnecessary pressure being dismissed as collateral damage. This is not a failure, it's a conspiracy, a sacrifice of democracy to protect those who are currently in power. So this is the message that has come in from Rahul Gandhi. Let me go across to my colleague Nyamika, who's joining us on the broadcast. And Nyamika, it's very clear that the Congress party is not dialing down on its vote chori charge. Rahul Gandhi now yet again taking to social media, calling it tyranny, saying that the entire SIR exercise is nothing but tyranny.
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha. This is a scathing attack which is coming in on the part of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. As this time, Rahul Gandhi has called SIR as a calculated ploy, and in fact he has also gone on to say that this is not just a failure but it's basically a conspiracy, a sacrifice of democracy to protect those who are in power, as he is basically raising a concern regarding the issue that 16 BLOs have lost their lives in the last 19 days. As for that reason, he is basically stating that it is the failure of the country's government, and for that reason he has also stated that under the guise of SIR, this is basically a complete chaos which the country is witnessing, and that is the only reason why 16 BLOs have lost their lives due to heart attacks, stress as well as suicides. As he has basically questioning that why this entire exercise is being conducted within the time span of 30 days. This is bringing a lot of pressure upon the BLOs. And in fact, he is also stating that the vote chori is also continuing because the people who have to find their names, in that particular list where thousands of voters' names are already been included, it is basically an exhausting exercise, and that is the only reason why he is stating that this is being done under a conspiracy which is being hashed by the Election Commission of India. This is not the very first time when Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party is raising a concern regarding the SIR exercise. They are continuously saying that this entire process is being followed by the Election Commission of India to help the BJP, to help those who are in power, and that is what he is being repeating on social media by this post as well.
Okay, all right. Nyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, the Congress party is also planning a mega protest in the national capital against the Election Commission. We're keeping a track of that. But for the moment, let's shift our attention now to Maharashtra, where a big controversy has been sparked